In this tutorial I will demonstrate how to test the PV on your 3500 controller to diagnose whether the input is still working or whether you have a faulty test probe. And this particular instrument, you will see sensor break come up on the screen, S.BR. To test the thermocouple input on the controller, we first need to unpower the unit. Turn the instrument, or go to the back of the instrument and observe V plus and V minus. This is where your sensor input wires will be. Remove those sensor input wires and take note of the position of the wires, as one is positive and one is negative. Use a shorting link and put a shorting link between V plus and V minus. Repower the instrument . After restarting, you will notice the instrument should have the room temperature. This normally indicates that the input to the controller is okay and the fault lies with your sensor probe. So therefore, if you have no sensor break on the screen, I would suggest looking further into your application. So there's a reason why this has happened. It may be an open circuit connection or maybe a faulty probe.